Welcome to our tutorial here on Silent Night. And I'm calling this the easy fingerstyle chord melody. I'll talk exactly what chord melody is here in a second. And I say easy because it's a fairly simple arrangement. You're just playing the chords, you're playing the melody. And I have harder versions that have a little bit more involved finger picking out there. But I think this one is a really nice arrangement, and it's got some cool chords. It's not just like all simple chords. It's got some cool chords that kind of make your ear go, oh, that sounds really nice. So let's dive in. Let me play the first part of it here. So there you can see it's not overly difficult, and even if you have some challenges, I know that you can play this. Now, Silent Night is in 3/4 time, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This arrangement is in the key of C, and as far as what is a chord melody, it's simply when you're playing the chords and the melody at the same time. So you can hear this melody. So that's important, okay? So play the chords, but make sure that melody pops out. All right, so we're gonna be using our fingers for this, and it's pretty simple. Your thumb's gonna cover the 4th string, your index will cover the 3rd, your middle will cover the 2nd, and then your ring finger will cover the 1st string as we're playing it, and that's what makes it fingerstyle. All right, your first chord is right here. And it's important to make sure you stop on the right string. So this one, the melody is on the 2nd string, so stop right there. And then you're gonna hit the open 1st string, and then you're gonna slide this finger down, and then to A minor shape. And that's the first part. Now the second part here is exactly the same thing. Then we're gonna go to this really cool G7 right here. And then hit that note again. That's the 1st string, 5th fret, and then slide back to your normal G7. And then just a regular old open C chord here. Then hit that note again, 1st string, and then go to this and stop here on the 2nd string. All right, let's just play up to there. 3 and... Now, before we dive on, if you want this, I know it's on the screen here, but if you want this tab PDF with the chords and stuff, I'll put a link in the description below. And this is something that we do with our platinum members over at Ukulele the Pros, and we do have a free 30-day trial for that as well. We'll put a link below. All right, let me play the next part here. All right, this next part is going to the F chord. And real kind of a tip here, when you're doing the fingerstyle, so you can either do a full, like kind of just grab all the strings together, so. But what I like to do is I like to do like a roll, which we call it like an arpeggiated roll. So I'm playing the F chord, but I'm actually doing a fast kind of like thumb, index, middle, ring. And it just gives it a really nice sound. So either way, it's easier to just do a full pinch with all the fingers, but I think the roll sounds really nice. All right, so this next part here is the F. And then just hit that open string again. And then you're gonna add F with I use my pinky here to 1st string, 3rd fret. And then 2 single notes, 2, and then open on the 1st string. Now try to keep the rest of the chord there till it rings out. So it's, and then you go back to the C chord. 2 single notes, 1st string, and then 2nd string, and then we got this beautiful chord, 4, 0, 0. All right, so this is from the F. Notice how you can hear that melody really ringing out. All right, now we go to the F again. That's the same 2 measures, and then it changes here a little bit. And that's almost like the beginning. So F, first string, and then add the pinky, 2 single notes, and then that C, and then this chord like we saw at the beginning of the song, and then the A minor. Now check out this last part here. Oh, so nice, right? All right, so we're starting on this G7 right here. And I'm gonna hit that note again. And I'm gonna slide up to this. Now this is a little tricky because you're not gonna play the 3rd string, you're gonna play the 4th string, skip the 3rd string, and then play the 2nd and the 1st string, and that's on 8 and 10. And I actually changed my finger in there to make sure the thumb is on the 4th, my index moves to the 2nd, and then my middle finger moves to the 1st. And then we're gonna slide this down to 5, 7, and then slide it down to 2 and 3, and then this beautiful A minor chord. Oh, sounds so nice. And then slide it up to this nice D7 chord. All right, so let's do that part on the G7 and. Now for the ending, we're going to do a bar chord C, and then 2 single notes, 2nd and 3rd string, and then this kind of G, but I'm going to finger it like this, which is middle, and then I'm actually going to put my 1st finger down even though we're not playing that note yet, and I'm going to use my pinky here. I'm going to go stop at the 2nd string, and then take the pinky off so I can get that 1, and then the 3rd string, and then check this last chord out. It's actually not a chord, it's just 2 C notes, but it's C and C. Now, I do have a low G. You might have realized that. If you don't have a low G, that's okay. You can play this high G, low G. It sounds cool. Mine's just going to sound a little bit bassier. All right, so this last part again here on the C is. And that's how you end it. All right, are you ready? What do you think so far? Right? Do you like the arrangement? Like some of these chords? Let me know in those comments. But let's do the whole thing from the top. Ready, and... Feel free to do it at any tempo you like. It's nice. Silent Night is a fairly slow song. Anyway, all right, again, if you want the tab, I'll put a link below. And then come join us at ukulelechordpros.com. We got a free 30-day trial for our Platinum membership. That gets you all of our courses and access to all our live stuff that we do on a weekly basis as well. All right, and then as far as instruments, this is our Kala Ukulele Pros. I mentioned I do have a low G. If you like this or need anything for your musical needs, doesn't matter what it is, we do have an online store. That's terrycartermusicstore.com.